It's according to
Andrew!
Are you okay? And maybe tomorrow? Oh.
Fucking people.
Andrew!
Ridiculous.
Oh! I think he's throwing up. Wait a minute.
Here we go, here we go.
No. Pause it. I want to make sure he's okay. He just stop making noise.
I fucking hate you. You got me on video. I hate you.
I
I'm not drunk. I swear to God. I hate both of you. Really, right now. I am not drunk. Full of gas, that's all. Oh, fucking A.
How many did you drink tonight, Andrew?
4.
Put the fingers up again. I thought that was 3. I thought it was counting 3.
How many's left?
That's without beer. I mean food.
That's without beer?
Wow. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Holy crap! You just fucking shit in there and it smells horrible.
I puked.
You're welcome.
It's not funny.
Oh, it's fucking hilarious.
Oh my God! Woo!
Andrew, it's not funny or it's not and funny.
Not funny.
Every time you make something noise,
Drinking water. Water's oh, it hurts.
How many sheets to the window? Oh, he's a little.
I'm good. See, look, I can walk it. Oh shit! Totally can't. Can't you off the backwards or walking straight.
I kind of wonder how I passed the sobriety test when the state trooper pulled me over on my birthday.
What? When?
On my birthday.
This year?
When I turned 21.
Oh, nice.
Hold on. I'll walk the straight line.
Good.
Wait, no, 22. I'm sorry. 21. I went to Boca too, but with Ginger.
Woo! I walked the straight line. I'm not.
Oh!
I'm not.
And it like breathed into my face and it smells horrible. It's like a septic tank and it smells.
Septic tank?
Woo!
Yeah.
You need another beer?
No.
No. I'm good.
No more.
No. No more?
No more.
Might as well give that one to me.
Which one? The one that he's drinking?
Oh, no, because I don't want puke on it. Can we finish watching the movie? You gonna watch it?
Yeah, I'm totally gonna watch it.
Alright, let's go.
John, these are all empty. These are all empty.
We're watching Paranormal Activity.
These are 3 Andrew drank by himself. 3. 2 Oktoberfest and a Magic Hat.
Oh.
Great. Yep, and this is why I didn't drink, because I knew I would have to babysit, so I drank a lot. Hi, Gypsy. You're the Teletubby Dripsy, right?
It's not funny to videotape me at all.
It's hilarious.
You
videotaping.
suck. One of these days, I'm gonna get you back. You know,
Remember we were at your house
I know.
with Katya and
Yeah, it's like that all over again.
No.
No, it was
that
worse before.
That was way worse.
This is only beer. That was hard liquor. That would be.
This
That
is
was
not bad.
that was really
I'm
bad.
drinking water, so I'm alright.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Just drink more.
Oh shit. Fucking A. You know, one of these days I'm gonna have to fix the fact that I
Here.
can't throw up.
Eat some chips.
No, that'll
Eat bread.
Eat bread then. Don't knock into me. Bread right there.
But I do want to finish watching the movie though.
I do.
It's getting better now.
It is.
Alright, so we're gonna leave the YouTube drunker over here by himself. I don't know if you're gonna keep hiccuping.
Fuck.
What are you doing?
I'm fine. I swear to God, I'm fine.
You knocked it over when you went to throw something out? Alright, somebody will them.
I'm not drunk. I can say
You're
the
not
alphabet
drunk?
backwards. W X Y Z L K M N O P R Q something something something.
You sure?
Ow.
Yeah. I'm positive. You know, a full face view of me drunk isn't exactly good on YouTube. Oh, fuck. I love you, man. You know that?
Alright.
Alright, we're gonna go. Oh, it just got dark all of a sudden. How do you turn this off?